All right, so it's been monsooning. It had some crazy rain today. I just washed the car a couple days ago, and already I was driving and it just landed all over it. So, you know, the weeds and everything was falling all over the car. So it's time to do, this is the time to do a rinseless wash, because it's not like it's super caked on dirt. It's just whatever was flying around in the rain. So let me pull this out. I just woke up. I was sleeping all day because it was so rainy here. Anyway, we'll pull out some rinseless wash and let's go to work, guys. All right, guys, so today, you know, I need to do a rinseless wash the car. I'm gonna do a rinseless wash, and I'm not really gonna do a whole lot of pre-spray with product. I'm gonna use my hose, and the reason why I'm gonna use my hose today is I need a little bit of pressure to knock off the leaves and the tree little branches that have fallen on the car from around here. So I'm gonna use the hose for that, knock that, get it all wet, rinse the car, and then we'll just do a regular rinseless wash. I'm gonna use the McKee's 37 SiO2 rinseless wash, a slick product that leaves the vehicle with some slickness. It's got nice cleaning power and it just works. We'll be using the Carolina detailing cart so I can move it around. And just our bucket, we got the DIY sponge there. So I'll go over the dilutions and stuff with you now. Let's get going. All right, guys, so I'm filling up the water. This is 1 ounce for every 3 gallons of water. So I got 1.5 ounces. And I'm just gonna fill it up to about, I don't know, 5 gallons, 4 to 5 gallons, somewhere in there. Stuff smells fantastic, guys. Love it, love it, love it. Now, I haven't used this bucket in a while, but it looks like there may have been some soap in there along the side. Not gonna hurt anything. Rinseless is gonna do its job. A little bit of soap, and never hurt anything as long as you dry it right away. All right, guys, we got the car washed. Did you see all the little leaves and flowers, whatever, that landed on there? It's all pushed off there. We're gonna go into our rinse bucket. We've got our DIY sponge there. We're gonna just do, now that it's nice and wet, we're just gonna do the wash, and we'll be using our drying towel per section. I'll show you how fast and easy this goes. There's no need to spray. If you want to spray some pre-spray on there for more lubrication, that's fine. But this is pretty lubricated as it is. Squeeze some of it out. It's not that hot anymore out here. It's nice, kind of a little bit humid actually. So I'll do the whole top, including the windows, and then I'll dry. All right, guys, now you gotta look for any falling bits of debris that are currently falling, because I am working in the live jungle underneath the trees. All right, and for the wheels, well, I'm all done with the car. All right, so the car is done. How about the wheels? The wheels are not that dirty. I'm gonna take, this juice is done. I'm gonna dump it out afterwards. So I'm just gonna take a little old towel here. I'm gonna dunk it in there. I got it wet. Squeeze it out a little bit. And I'm just gonna do a wipe here because the wheels aren't that dirty. And I'm just gonna do a wipe with one hand. And I got another towel that I'll use to dry it. And for all intents and purposes, it's done. I'm gonna go around, I'll do all 4 of them, and then I'll dress the tires. All right, guys, and it's that fast, that easy. I'm done with washing the car. It was a quick rinse to get all of the trees and stuff off, and as you can see, they are still falling on there by the second. But nonetheless, quick rinse, knock the big stuff off, dilute 1 ounce for every 3 gallons. McKee's 37 SIO 2 rinseless wash. Stuff smells good, works good, nice glossy finish, cleans well. DIY sponge. This is a detail sponge right there. Put it in your bucket. Get your favorite drying towel. Mine's over there. It's already hanging up, and the one that I use. And that's it, guys. So that's simple. Hope you guys liked it. That's what happens when you live in monsoon season. And when you live in Vegas in monsoon season, you wash it 2 days ago. The next day it rains for 10 minutes. Earlier today, this was like a war zone with rain and cloud and thundering and lightning, and now it's back to normal again. Still a little bit of clouds in the sky, you can see them, and it'll probably happen again tomorrow. So what do we do to combat that? We do rinseless washes, real fast, real easy. It was a little bit more than I wanted to do for a waterless, so the rinseless will suffice for this, for my needs today. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Go over to autoforge.net. You can get these products. You can keep your car clean and get any tools you need over there. Talk to you guys later. Stay tuned for bonus footage. All right, guys, I'm all about easy, fast. We're losing sunlight here. I need to do the tires. So let me grab some product up here. This is a fast one. Spray on, leave it, and walk away. Duragloss 265 Ultimate Detail Spray. You guys have heard me talk about this. This is what I want to use when I'm in a real hurry. Lay it on, leave it alone. All right, guys, so as promised, the bonus footage is a Duragloss. Let's go ahead. We're going to spray it on. I'm trying to do this. It's a little slippery with my glove on my finger here. But I like that. I like how it goes around perfect. You can adjust the spray by pulling it back or forward, and how thick you want the spray. Yep, and we're just gonna leave it like that. It'll dry overnight, and there will be no sling tomorrow. Let's do it again. Yeah. Guys, I tell you, this stuff's fantastic. Quick, easy. I didn't clean the tires. I took a shortcut. Spray this over there, and it's going to just make the tires look fantastic. AutoForge, they carry this. Probably one of the few places you're going to find this. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later.